Not going for rock there. That was too risky. And respawn. Actually, that POW was fine. That POW was actually fine for me.
Ah! I get a box. This one.
Please just don't give me a TC, man. Okay.
That Nana, yeah.
I didn't get the lucky Sherman third. That's too bad. Alright, come on. Come on, Red. Oh, everybody got TS going for cut. Let's go, Chippy. Oh, that's huge. That's actually huge.
Ew,
These guys, like, these.
Of course I missed that box. No.
Yes, I got fourth. Let's go. I think we got 1-4 again. Or, sorry, we got 1-5 last time. I think we got 1-4 here.
That's fine.
Let's go. I saw